What is up, everybody? I'm out here on St. Simon's Island. That might sound familiar to those of you who watch Do It With Dan. I'll put his link in the description if you do not. This is my first motovlog. Do It With Dan got me into it. Of course, I watch all the other ones. Walterific, Jake, Chase on Two Wheels, 6'4". All those guys. Really, after watching for a while, I was like, shit, I might as well try this. I'm on a 1997 YZF 600R. When I got the bike, the guy that had it before me did a tail swap, and the welds were terrible. So I cut it off and took the whole bike apart, welded my own subframe on, and the seat that came with it actually fit perfectly. So instead of making a new one, I just put it on there. Alright. So hopefully here in the future I'm going to be able to get Do With Dan come out a few times and to do some dual vlogs. I don't have a Cena headset yet, so I can't communicate with him. But that's definitely going to be coming. That was a neutral. That's embarrassing. 0 to 60. There we go. On the sidewalk. Sidewalk. It's like an obstacle course. Have you seen those ones with the cops and they're like going around the cones on their Road Kings or whatever it is they ride? But yeah, my next bike, I definitely want it to be a ZX-10R or an R1. I really like the BMW S1000RR, but it's so expensive. At least as far as I know. I'm not sure what they are compared to a ZX-10R or an R1. I know Adrian Nickelodeon had one. But he had a BMW S1000RR for a little while, and it sounded amazing. Now he has an R1. It sounds amazing. The R1s with the Toast exhaust are by far the best sounding bikes, in my opinion. I've got a shorty pipe on here right now, and it has one baffle in it, and my neighbors hate it. But I did put in some baffles that I made, quiet it down a little bit and give me some back pressure, because I mean, before this bike's already pretty slow, and I didn't want to burn a valve, because I read a while ago that you can burn a valve for the back pressure, and I knew it was struggling with it, so that definitely helped a lot. It made it a little bit quieter, but I mean, it just wouldn't move. It just made a shitload of noise. And about 3 weeks ago, I actually replaced the clutch because it was slipping. I'm a bit late, but I'm going to do the Baker X Derrick challenge. If anybody knows how you would spell meh or meh, please let me know. I need something to call it other than like the pissed off sheep noise, because that doesn't make any sense. Because you'll see that and you'll be like, well, what's wrong with this guy? What? They said we're gonna race. I think I won. Well, that was fun. You guys got to see me do some dumb shit. Who just honked? Who honked? I want to know who honked. Who honked? What?
What you got, a Yamaha?
Yamaha R6?
I like that thing, that's sweet.
Appreciate it.
That's badass.
That dude was pretty cool. He said, what is that, a Yamaha? I said, yeah, it's a Yamaha R6. Because if you say YZF 600R, everybody looks like, what? So you gotta be like, it's an R6. Because everybody knows what an R6 is. I guess it is an R6, kind of. Because they made this exact bike into like 07 and they remodeled it to that really badass looking one. I never really get compliments either. People kind of look at it like, well, what is that? I feel like they look at it as they would look at a supermoto, because it's just something you don't see all the time. Chill! Alright, you guys, peace.